pool.
Yeah, we got a pool. But they are still working on it.
Okay.
The gym will be up there.
Up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see where we have the corridor there?
Yeah.
That is where we have the clubhouse.
Okay.
Have a small, just like a wine and spirit area, a salon, and a kinyozi will be there. Now the children now can be also be able to access the play area from the swimming pool.
Okay.
That side there.
Okay. So garbage collection will be done.
Garbage collection will be done.
Okay.
But as you've heard the lady telling me, because there are a few questions, so I asked them once I come here.
Yeah.
There's an organized property company that is coming here.
Yeah.
So the pool, when you come here, it will be redone in a better way.
Okay.
Because now they'll deal with the garbage collection
Yeah.
in a professional and systematic way. There'll be a company to collect the garbage,
Okay.
and that is why the service charge is 7,000 to ensure the standard will be maintained as per the way the people found the property.
Okay.
You see that some of the people have moved inside. So garbage will not be a problem.
In terms of amenities like Zuku and stuff like that, are they here already, or it's something you have to organize yourself?
Zuku, I think I can clearly confirm about that. I think that I'll need to confirm about Zuku, and then I'll be able to